Good morning, class. Today in chapter 3, we will learn how to solve linear equation of two variable by graph method. So, we are taking first example. Solve the following pair of linear equation by graph method. We are taking two linear equation into variable 3x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. Second one is 2x plus 3y equal to 12. As in previous class 9th, we learned how to find the two or three solution of the given linear equation in two variables. So by the same method, we are finding the three solution of each equation here. So first 3x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. So 3x equal to transfer minus 2y plus 8 to right hand side. So sign will change. So x equal to 2y minus 8 upon 3. So by putting the values of y one by one, we get the value of x, y. We will find three solutions. First of all, we have to put such value of y so that the x value should not be in terms in fraction term. I am putting y equal to minus 1, y equal to 1. Then 2 1 is 2, 2 minus 8, 6 minus 6 when divided by 3 we get minus 2. Again put y equal to 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8 minus 4 when divided by 3 minus 4 by 3. So this value we will not consider. We will put y equal to 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 8 0, 0 divided by 3 is 0. Put y equal to 7, 2 7 is 14, 14 minus 8 6, 6 when divided by 3 gives value 2. Similarly here we will find the value of x and y. First put y equal to 0, 0 into 3 0, 12 minus 0 12 divided by 2 6. Put value 2, 3 2 is 6, 12 minus 6 6, 6 divided by 2 3. Put value 4, 3 4 into 3 12, 12 minus 12 0, 0 divided by 2 0. So these are the three solution of each equation. Now we put these values here. We will plot these value on the graph. So taking the points 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, and here minus 2, minus 4. First put minus 2, 1, minus 2 and 1. This is the first point. 0, 4, x 0, y 4. This value was x minus 2, y 1. This point x 0, y 4. And third one x2, y 7, x2, y 7. Here x2, y 7. Now join these 2 points, 3 points. Similarly x6, y0, x6, y0, x3, y2, x3, y2, and x0, y4, x0, y4, the same point. Join these 3 points also. So where these two lines intersect each other is the solution of the given equation. Here we see that the lines are intersecting at this point. What is the coordinate of this point? The coordinate of this point is x0, y4. So x equal to 0 and y equal to 4 is the solution of given equation. Now, after, besides the solution, can you shade the triangle? Shade the triangle between two lines and x-axis. एक लाइन दूसरी लाइन और ये रही x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the first line and this is the second line. So you are seeing this portion. So this is the triangle when two lines and x-axis. So triangle name A, B, C. So triangle A, B, C is required triangle. Can you find the coordinate of vertices? Yes. A coordinate 0, 4. B approximately, let be approximately x minus 3, y 0. This is maybe wrong, but we just consider this line is passing through here, and the C coordinate is exactly 6, 0. One more question can be asked. Can you find the area of this triangle ABC? Yes. Formula half into base into height. Half. Base is count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the height is 2, 4. On cancellation, we get 18 square unit. So what is the procedure to find the solution of linear equation into variable? First take two equation, find their 3 solution, plot them on graph. Where two lines intersect, we get the value of x and y there. Besides that solution, question may be asked area of triangle, shade the triangle and coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. Coordinate of the vertices of triangle ABC. So इस पर based हमें 5 questions कम से कम करने हैं. I will send you the questions or you can use your NCERT book to find 5 graph.